Hey everyone, got a pretty cool video today. I remember watching a while ago a guy on a guy's channel, Photonic Induction. He did a video of a front load washer motor hooked up to a really old vintage sewing machine. I think it was a black one, and he got up to a pretty good speed, but nothing really happened that I can remember. And I got thinking, you know what? I could do better. And this is what I've come up with. I've got a 2¼ horsepower treadmill motor that can do over 9,000, belted up to a gutted sewing machine. The motor's ripped out of it, but everything else is still there. And the only reason I hadn't done this video earlier is because I need to get a sewing machine where I could actually attach a pulley to it. And the shaft on this one happened to be the right size, and well, here we are. So just to point out, this could get pretty loud, so those of you that might have headphones on or earbuds might want to turn your volume down just a bit once this gets going, because I'm going to be wearing ear protection. It is fucking loud. I've not tested this at anywhere near full speed. Yes, multimeter. So I'm going to try and get an RPM reading off it right down here. I'm trying to get everything in the camera view at once. The multimeter over there is going to be measuring DC volts going to the treadmill, and the amp probe over there is measuring the amps the treadmill motor is going to be drawing. I have no idea if this thing will self-destruct or what, but let's find out. Alright, everything's set up. I'm going to put my hearing protection on and we'll see what happens. I can't guarantee I'll get a good reading off of that, but I'll leave it there just in case it does. And I'm going to be controlling the motor speed with my 10 amp variac. So that's probably about top speed a sewing machine would do. About 650 RPMs on the main shaft. Let's go farther, shall we? Okay, I'm going to have to put some weights around this. This thing's going to walk. One moment. Alright, take two. Let's see if 225-pound weights will hold it in place. thought it just seized up. Oh, we've got damage. Hold on a sec. Oh, I gotta show you this. Oh, I can smell it too. Hold on, I'm gonna turn the macro feature on this. Oh, I could definitely smell it. Oh, we've got bearing failure. Oh yeah, look at that. That's not normal. Wow, look at the grooves. There's supposed to be one groove in that right there. That's another one it was making. Holy shit. So what was holding this in? Don't tell me it was that. Was that just pushed? That must have been just pushed across there with one screw in it. Call that cheap. But I can see the screw hasn't actually come loose. The screw's actually bent. Yeah, it's actually bent. So it came out like this. It locked up. And what happened is this pulley has come loose from the shaft. So I can turn this freely now. Well, no biggie. I think this thing is pretty much had it. This flung off early on. Nothing but held on by a little bit of plastic there. Ooh, she's all greasy. Get rid of the grease. And I'm not sure what RPM this was up to, but I was up to almost like, I think it was like 90 volts on the treadmill motor, and that's a good speed. Now the needles broke off. But yeah, wow. That was definitely making a new groove. Not much to see on the back, just that moves there. Any other damage? I don't know if what else is damaged. I don't really see much, but I'm sure there's more. Wow, but that actually went better than I thought. I figured it would just jam up and just stop, but it actually kind of did self-destruct. That's cool. Well, hit the like button if you enjoyed the show. Hit the dislike if you thought there was too much destruction, if that's even possible. Subscribe, and thanks for watching, everyone.